I didn't sleep last night, so I'm very tired. I had to leave my place last night. You know, I couldn't sleep. I was so scared for the dark. So I had to go in the middle of the night. I have been awake for 24 hours. Today I have an announcement. Today I will not say the word nigger. So I will not say the word nigger. I will not say nigger anymore. See, we have to follow this. That one down there. Number 47. 47. I follow that. That's my wood. I'm going crazy. I'm slow. I'm very quickly going crazy. Yeah. This is all the rich people, they live here. Rich people, only rich people live here. Look at the cars, nice cars. Look at those houses there, nice. Look at this, oh my God, oh, it's so beautiful. Oh, what a view. Holy shit, dude. God damn it, Wonder Boom. Fucking Wonder Boom, always on the floor. Oh my God, it's for sale. Holy shit, dude. This house here with that view is for sale. Can somebody ask him how much it costs?
Hi Dad, can you sing the Alabama song for me? Thanks, cutie pie.
I'm an Ice Poseidon and I wanna be free. Alabama Ice Poseidon and I wanna be free. I wanna go home. I wanna go home. I'm an Alabama Ice Poseidon and I wanna go home. Thank you very much for $50. Oh shit, where do we go now? Oh my God, we are going this way here. Yeah, we have to follow that sign over there. It's so good, there's so much fresh air here. I really like the fresh air. There's no pollution here. But it's only rich people who live here. I don't like that. Oh, look at that beautiful church there. Oh my God, that's the most beautiful thing I have never ever seen in my life. And look at the view here. Beautiful view over Sweden. Over there is Sweden, by the way. I can fix that. It's not my job, but I can fix it. Fucking hell, man. I got this in my hand. Fuck. Oh my God. This is not funny. This is not funny. They hurt like fucking hell. I got it in my hand here, man. Fucking shit, man. It's not my job. This is a sign only for people on bicycle, because there's a bicycle sign here. So here in Denmark, we have signs everywhere. It's not like Los Angeles. There are no signs in Los Angeles. If you put a sign up in Los Angeles, what will happen to the sign? A homeless person will steal it. Yes, correct. What do the homeless people get for Christmas in Los Angeles? You know that? Your bicycle! Your bicycle! I'm an Alabama Ice Poseidon and I wanna be free. Oh my God, where do I go now? No, fuck! Wrong way. This is so old. This is an old water mill. I don't know where all people. There are no people here today. So they run around with water, and then this one there go into the house, go inside the house, and inside the house they can do something. They have something they can make. I don't know what they make inside. Electricity was not invented back then. This is so old. This is before electricity. There were no electricity back then. I think they used it for making flour. You know, they have corn, and then they make flour, and then they can make bread. Yeah, they're grinding oats. Exactly, grinding oats. Yeah. That was a real bell. I wonder what is inside this lake here. I think there are many people die in there. So the Danish nature is like very quiet nature. Not so much happening. Now I have to be careful I not get lost. I think it's the old train. Oh my god, it's the old veteran train. Yeah, it's the old veteran train. Fucking hell. Quickly, Björn. If you don't film this, you are a fucking amateur. I don't hope I run into the train and get killed. Can we be so lucky? Maybe we are fucking lucky, dude. This is an old veteran train. It runs here in July and August. I feel like an idiot. There were no veteran train. What happened? Did we lag? Don't tell me we fucking lagged again. Fucking Wonderbound! You have to stop. Fall on the fucking ground, man. Fucking Wonderbound. Stay! Stay there, stay! Stay, don't move. Oh, thank you. Oh, thank you, a new sponsor. Wow. I appreciate all my sponsors. They keep the stream alive and going. It will become my job. If I get more sponsors, then I can do this a full-time job, and I can travel all over the world except Africa. This must be the correct way. It has to be the right way. White way. Oh, it's so beautiful here, man. It's like coming back 100 years in time. Look at this house. That's amazing. This house is at least 200 years old.
Does your wife squeal like a Japanese schoolgirl when you're unicorn or Bjorn?
No, she finished in 2 minutes. 2 minutes, and then she finished. So then she say, I finish. You have to take care of yourself. Then she leave me after 2 minutes. She don't scream. I have to be careful. I cannot go out there. Then I will die. What happens if I go in here? I just go that way.
Sad.